today. So real happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. You are not here with me. Happy birthday to you.
Me! Happy birthday! We may not be blood related, I may not be came out from your womb, but I am so thankful for the love and care you've given me. My only wish for you is, may God always make your heart happy. Kahit nagmamahal ka ng multo, sorry kung ako ang hindi nakaka-move on sa mga multo. Always remember, I'm always here for you, at promise na never magiging multo. I love you, me! Mwah!
Happy birthday po, Mami Lamaldita. We may not know each other personally po, but thank you for the love that you've given to our Mami Rogu. And have a blessed birthday po and more birthdays to come. We love you po.
Happy birthday! Ingat ka palagi sa trabaho mo. At mag-pray palagi. Wala akong ibang sasabihin kundi God bless. Ingat. Sana yung mga pangarap mo sa anak mo matupad. At umuwi rin kapag may time. Me, happy birthday. May naghihintay sa'yo yung mga anak mo. So mag-ingat ka palagi, ha? Happy birthday, me! Me!
Hello, mami! Me! Me! Dede! Miss me! Love, mami! Anyway, no, binabati ka pa nga pala kita, miss, sa iyong nakaarawan, no? Wish you more birthdays to come. At isa pa, tapon mo na yung multong inaantay mo, ha? Mayroon na siyang ibawag kang kita nga. Biyera, no, Imi, ha? Happy birthday nga pala sa iyo, no? And more birthdays to come. Basta andito lang kami ng mga nakanakan mo. Laging nakasuporta sa iyo. Always yan, me. We love you, always, me. At saka isa pa ba? Basta happy birthday nilang, me, no? More birthdays to come. At ang huli kong bati pa pala sa'yo, no? Me! Dede! love, me. Happy birthday once again. Thank you.
Hi, Mommy. I just wanna greet you a happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Stay as you are. Wish you all the best with full of love, joy, and happiness. Stay as you are, and yon. God bless you always, and God will protect and guide you all the time. Ayan. Once again, Mommy, happy birthday from the bottom of my heart. Mwah.
Mami, happy birthday, Mami. At sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. At sana marami ka pang birthday na dumating sa buhay mo. At mag-iingat ka dyan palagi, Mami. Mami, happy birthday, Mami. Mami!
Happy birthday, me. I wish you a lifetime of smile and happiness. I pray to God grant you a long life, good health, and more birthday to come. Just a birthday message for one of the most beautiful me in the emo. It's your special day. No birthday wishes, greetings, or messages can express in word how much I love you. I wish all the best. Your dreams and wishes come true. Again, happy birthday and enjoy your day, me.
Mami Lita, good evening, happy birthday.
Me, isang magandang gabi sa iyo. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. At nawa, patuloy ka pagpalain ng ating Panginoon ng maraming taon ng buhay, kasiyahan, pag-ibig sa pamilya at sa kaibigan. At patuloy kang bigyan ng pagpapala pa sa buhay para mas gawa mo ang dapat mong gawin para sa iyong pamilya. Muli, happy birthday and God bless you more.
Happy big sister. Ingat ka palagi. Happy at enjoy ka sa birthday mo ngayon. Ayan, nandito lang kami palagi ng mga anak mo, mga utol mo, mga kaibigan mo. Ayan, lalong-lalo na ako, big sister mo. Ingat ka palagi, big sister. Stay strong lang tayong mga magkakaibigan. Lalong-lalo ka na. At tayong dalawa na mag-big sister. Sana soon magkita tayo. Kahit sa Maynila lang, pwede na yun. And basta happy birthday sa'yo. Palagi ka mag-TikTok kasi lagi ako natutuwa sa TikTok. Ang ganda ng sayaw mo. Mas malambot pa kayong katawan mo sa akin. Ako matigas. Pero okay na yun. Basta matigas yung sa akin. Sa'yo malambot. Basta masarap ako. Ayun, ganun lang. Ayan, happy birthday, big sister. I love you so much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear, and no birthday to you. We're here to celebrate, it's your special day. Let's see, drink and dance the night away. Yeah. You're kind and caring, funny and bright. You fill our lives with joy and light. So let's make some memories tonight and dance until the morning light. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear, and no birthday to you. We're here to celebrate, it's your special day. Let's see, drink and dance the night away. Hey, yeah. Happy birthday to you.
Kayong bati sa iyong karawan. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Maligayang bati sa iyong karawan. Happy birthday to you.
It's your special day.